habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it, and I don't think you'd want to. I distance myself so it doesn't hurt, but I'm still in pain either way. Don't know why you give me the time of day, 'cause I don't think I'm worth the wait. No, I don't think you should get to know me, because you're feeling lonely. You don't want these problems, I'm overcomplicated. It's hard for me to trust again after what I went through. You say you want me, but I don't wanna believe you, so I don't reply when you message me. I'm trying to end it before this begins. I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me, so I pull away because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. Cause I've got so much baggage, I don't have it together. I'm flawed and stuck in my ways. I get so mad easily, I can't agree to disagree. I don't admit when I'm wrong. You have no clue, I ruin everything good. I never open up even though I really should. Don't wanna disappoint you, I'm not the right one. I have so many issues, you should wanna run. You should wanna run. Run away, no. So I don't reply when you message me. I'm trying to end it before this begins. I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me, so I pull away because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually. I've been played, my heart is not on my sleeve. I'm so afraid of putting myself out there. Need some time to heal and space to do that. I'm not expecting you to wait for me, no. You should wanna run away, no. So I don't reply when you message me. I'm trying to end it before this begins. I already see what's going to happen. I think you deserve somebody better than me, so I pull away because you'll leave eventually. You'll leave eventually.
We both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till January. I lost control when you call me baby. If I go down that road, you know you're coming with me. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes on the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. It's the memory foam, I remember it all now. I'm gonna know why I made you the good guy. I should go outside, let my feelings subside, so I won't reside in my mind all the time. All the time, all the time, all the time. But I'll chase rainy days. Oh, I love the way it tastes on the mattress where I feel safe. The look of bliss on your face. We both know this is temporary. Maybe we'll last till February. I lost control when you call me baby. happy if I go down this road. You know you're coming with me. I'm hoping for another day. No, I won't make the same mistakes. I'll be fine if you walk away, but give me one more chance to tell you how I feel and how I see through all the pain that you have been through. Don't say you're sorry, 'cause I don't blame you.
It's kinda crazy, the kinds of things life throws at you. I never knew I'd feel so safe in your arms. Now you're all I need. It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how I'm feeling, 'cause I know this is real. I'm so happy that you're mine. Nothing in this world can make me feel the way that you do. Feels like I'm dancing on moonlight. Of all the stars at night, none of them can shine as bright as you do. They can't compare to your light. Thousands of miles between, still couldn't stop us. Just the thought of your love was enough. It's hard to imagine life without you in it. Even if at a distance, I'm still happier. Baby, won't you listen when you feel you're missing me? Let this be your little lullaby. Help you fall asleep at night. When I see you smile, I'm unafraid to grow up. 'Cause with you the future seems so bright. Won't you stay here by my side? I want to be selfish with you. I only want to see the truth. I want to eliminate the unnecessary. My vision's never been so clear. You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you. It doesn't matter what's around us, 'cause baby you've got me blind to all those other people, all those other people. You're my home in the middle of all those other people. I'm resting my head on your shoulder. You're keeping a tight grip on me. We're wrapped up in honey. That's so bittersweet. Is this too good to be true? You've arrested my attention. All the focus is on you.